Okay, everybody, this is Kent Raible. This is my new workshop. I wanted to show you from both sides. Here we are at the front door. I'm gonna just go on in here, show you what's inside. There we go, stairs going up to Lynn's part of the process. And this is my bathroom. And we are in the shop is coming over here to the left. You can see we have a whole range of tools and things here. I'm just going to kind of sweep down along the workbench here. There's our wood stove. I'm going to swing around now. Back door. And then I'm going to look up here. You can see there's high ceilings with double skylights here. And then looking down from one rolling mill. And then over here we have my smithing bench with the hanging hammers. All our workstations. My ventilation hoods made of copper. 6 workstations, double benches. And down here is my other rolling mill. And this is where I do most of my work here. This is my bench, my soldering station right here. I'm working right now on this bracelet. Doing platinum wire work on it right now. You can see the platinum wire there at work on the left. So that's what I'm working on right now. Over here we have my torches. Let me see if I can get this focused in. And my casting and alloying area here. This is where I do most of my alloying. Got my copper hood here, which moves from location to location as needed. The fan is in the wall there. Casting. Then, if we walk down over here, past the smithing bench, we come back to the beautiful wood stove, and then back here, we have my lapidary room. Lapidary. We have lapidary wheels, saws, and then here is my wax area. And then I have a radiant heated floor, and all that gizmo on the left there is the pumps and pressurizing for the radiant heated floor. And over here, of course, we have my steamer, Pickle ultrasonic, and various other wonderful things. So there you have it. The view today is cloudy. But you can see we have a 20-acre parcel here. This is just one small part of it with views to the north. And that's my workshop. Hope you enjoyed the tour.